All right, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. How are we all doing today? So, I just want us to go through this post made by Royce, and some of us that know him, maybe you have followed him on X, or you are used to read his post. This is not his regular post, like what Royce is known for. We know his stand, we know his love for Ogenkere Group. We understand who he is somehow, like what he believes on. But some people believe that he's not even a commander, he's not even in homeland, let alone being in army or anything as such. But we are not here to that. We are not here for that. We are not here to criticize or to talk anything about that. But we just want to go through this post that he made, and you will see a different version, a different person altogether. And I can agree to some extent. I can agree to what he said here. But truth be told, somehow he contributed to what he's trying to criticize. But let's go there. But before then, though, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Please, very important, your thumbs up on the video will get a long way to help. Please do that. I am always ashamed at myself, he said, when I come across some supposed Biafran program. All I will be hearing is Ngozi Rabeze said yesterday, Ogenkere said today. Now I ask, where is Nigerian government says or do? Where is Fulani says or do? Or where is his position on Nigerian government? From beginning I know we will get to this point. But I truly don't know it will be this worst. Now is USB versus Briggy. So is this how Mas Nnamdi Kanu started it or is this same way PM Ekpa was doing it? All some of them he said all some of them it should be or some of them all some of it says all some look at it here. So let it not be like I'm the one reading it wrongly. All some of them does is when they woke up. When they woke up, they what? When they woke up, they rush to see what the others post or say, so that they can on their camera. They can their camera. I don't know what I mean by that. So they can on their camera. I think that's what we want to say. So they can on their camera and give updates. Their update is no longer Fulani or Nigerian. If not for men ongoing, if not for men ongoing, who all they do is 24 hours and beyond, hunting for terrorists and invader, doing everything to keep our land secured. That sounds good. That sounds good. Okay. This is Biafran. This he said this Biafran would have become a thing of the past. Okay. I don't want to argue. I don't want to argue. To be honest, it will come a thing of the past. I'm so sure that thousands of Biafran who PM Simon Ekpa and Mazawan Kano have light up fire in their hands, or in them rather. Their fire might have gone down because of all these saboteurs attitude. But I must encourage Biafrans not to lose hope. Without all this, we will not have story to tell at end. Okay. This is what MLK, that's Madam Ghana, meant when he said, when Biafra finally comes, we will dance on the street of Biafra, we will glorify God Almighty, and in addition, he said Biafra will be the last miracle on earth. You must not forget what Biafra mean to us all. And he said, come on, brothers. Now, first thing first, let us not pretend as if this our brother did not contribute to what is going on. Let us no matter how you may see it, no matter how hard it seems to be difficult to say, but can we be honest for once? We realize what he said and his contribution somehow in division today. Some of us may say, no, it's not true, but if you follow his post, you will understand, you concur. You will agree with me that he has contributed a lot negatively to what is going on today. I remember some of his posts. some of his when he was bragging about how he do this and do that. You remember those days, right? So let us not pretend as if we are not aware of what happened. I actually understand that many of you may not trust what I just said about his contribution and his involvement. So this post is Roy's post in the past. Let us go through it, okay? So that you understand what this is just one. But I have, you may have many. We may, if we go to his platform, you may see Igafun get up that Magwacha he touches in Ago. Now read what he said here. The moment I leave the order I put across all commanders, Ngozi, Orabeze, and Ugo, Nan came out to say our army have resumed duty. These people are, he said, look at it here. These people are so funny. Biafrans, you cannot understand me when I said the reason I stopped the operation. That's when he stopped Biafran Liberation Army from working. Genti. He did not say that alone. Collectively, they said it with okay. Now he said, then was because when I stopped the operation, then was because, are you following the that? Let me take it again so that you understand it. The people are so funny. That these people are so funny. Biafrans, you can now understand me when I said the reason I stopped the operation then was because as things were going, she will claim the glory of the aftermath by telling you all that their recruited army did it. That means if in other words, he stopped a Biafran army operation to prove that Suez have no army, so that she will not, claim the glory. Then what happened? Innocent Biafran died for that singular act, like trying to prove what I don't know, that you are the one in charge and anything. And like I said, he's not saying this on his own accord. It was a collective effort from Oginkiri Group because they thought that this is the best way to do it, and this is how people will now begin to worship them and all that. And let's go there. He said again, let me take it from where we stopped. Okay. Well, she will claim the glory of the aftermath by telling you all that their recruited army did it, and Umo Utobo will hear her. None because she read my post where I said I wanted them the operation to resume in March, but because of the nature of things, I decided to shift it down now. She and her cabal are now posting Butozo is back, operational mode, Otie Amoeba. Now you can connect the dots on my post because what you don't know is bigger than you. And this is his post then, and he kind of mocking CS and all that. Do you understand it? So I just decided to flash this for you to see, to understand. Okay, when I told you that they stopped Biafran army from operating, and you see some people today, Ngozi Otabeze destabilized army. What is more destabilized than this? Maybe if he has repented, maybe he's not a new Royce, a new person. We are yet to see that, but judging by what we know and what happened in the past, it will be difficult to differentiate or to ignore. Do you understand what I'm saying? What I'm talking about? So please, I want to hear from you. What is your take on this? This is just a quick reaction to this is his post, and I would like to hear from you. God bless you, my people. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. God bless you. Bye bye for now.